Hi everyone, and welcome back to another simple tutorial video. In this guide, we'll learn how to easily unblock a contact or person on Snapchat. Whether you blocked someone accidentally or intentionally and now want to unblock them, this step-by-step process will help you do just that. First, open the Snapchat app. For this demonstration, I'm going to block a contact to show you how to unblock them afterward. Once the person is blocked, tap on your profile picture icon in the top left corner of the screen. Next, tap on the gear icon in the top right corner to open the Snapchat settings. Scroll down until you find the Blocked Users option under the Privacy Controls section. Here, you'll see a list of all the people you've blocked on Snapchat. To unblock someone, simply tap the X next to their name and confirm your decision when prompted. And that's it. You've successfully unblocked a person on Snapchat. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to leave a comment and subscribe for more quick and easy guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.